Hey guys, welcome back to Luke's Garage. Today we are going to be painting some interior parts. Still have the Blazer in the shop, working on the rebuild throughout the winter. So anyways, I bought some Dupli-Color interior vinyl carpet spray paint. And I'm using it today on some plastic parts I call Dupli-Color. They said it's fine to do. Just curious how it would look on some of these smaller parts before I try it on anything bigger, because it is a $7 can of spray paint as opposed to buying new parts. I am optimistic about it, and I hope that it works, and I hope it doesn't turn out like a $7 paint job. So throughout this project, though, we're going to be trying multiple colors on carpet, vinyl, and plastic as well. So stay tuned for those upcoming videos. But I hope this video turns out like I want it to.
Okay, so here is the part that we are going to paint today. It is just a lower seat cover, just a plastic trim piece on the lower end of the passenger seat for this 1984 GMC Jimmy. I am going to be painting every interior part of this truck, and then I'm going to paint the truck. So what we're working on today is just to test and see how this color looks. It's the gloss black, vinyl and fabric paint. You don't need it. You don't need to prime it. It says right on the back. Yeah, no pre-priming involved. It's already actually in the paint. So we'll give it a shot here and see how it looks. And I'll do a bunch more of these videos just to show you guys how these different colors look on these materials, because I know buying them, hoping that the color turns out is a chore sometimes. So black's always a good one, covers everything. I've got a lighter gray color I'm going to do on the carpet. We'll see how well that covers. But for now, what you need to do to prep all your parts is degrease them. So I recommend, Dawn or Ajax, and if you can remove them from the truck, throw them in the sink. Wipe them down, clean them down, scrub them down, everything you can do. Mr. Clean sponge works great for getting inside all these cracks and everything. And then just a basic 400 grit sandpaper, just to kind of scuff all this up, and then obviously remove all the dust, and you should be ready to go. Already pre-shaken this can, so I'll just get it going again real quick. And I do 3 light coats. So this first coat is just to get her tacky. So pretty easy to apply. I don't think anybody would have any issues with it. So yeah, I'll come back after I do 3 coats and show you the final product, what this actually looks like. Okay, so the paint is cured on the part that I showed you guys earlier. Very happy with it. Honestly, it's pretty shiny, but if that's what you're looking for, it looks brand new. It honestly looks brand new compared to something, the door panel that I got to figure out what I'm going to do color wise with it. But any of these similar parts, look at this. Just compare the two. Obviously it's new paint, which helps, but man, it does a good job of covering. Even though it's vinyl carpet paint, I asked Dupli-Color as well if it works on plastics, and they said yeah, it shouldn't have any issue at all as long as you clean and prep the areas. Obviously this has not been cleaned at all. I'm working on it. So those will be more videos coming up. I'm going to obviously get the carpet out of the truck, power washed, already cleaned, ready for paint. Just got to find the time to do it. So please feel free to ask questions, anything you guys want to see coming up. Like I said, I'm going to paint all this stuff that I have all over my basement floor. Rebuilding this Blazer. So it's a fun project so far. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and yeah, keep posted for more videos.